Dr. Eddins here with Dr. Johnson, who needs a bit of a tune-up. How are you feeling today?
I am good overall, but kind of neck pain that's wanting to maybe turn into a headache. Just kind of like annoying at this point.
Got it.
Uncomfortable.
Got it. Well, have a lay down. Let's see how things feel. Pretty tight up in these upper traps.
Yeah. Right side's definitely more tender than the left.
Not through in here.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, a little bit of tightness too on this left side as well. How's the low back feeling?
You know, it doesn't hurt when I'm just walking around, sitting around, but when you poke it right there, just a touch sore, pretty even both sides.
All right. Only a few things today, nothing crazy. All righty. So let's start in here. Take a nice deep breath in. Good, and out. And another deep breath. Good. Yeah. All right. Let's do a stretch in here. Move this down just a little bit. Loosen these hips up a little bit. Tighten that up for you. I think this left side's a bit tighter.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. That's better. All right, turn on your side facing me, please. This leg up here. All right, scooch a little closer. There you go. Let's rock you. Kind of let that top body relax. Good. Let's take the other side.
That was a big one.
That was a big one. There we go. Good. Scooch a little closer here. Bueno. The upper body just relax. Good. Rock you here. Go ahead, flip onto your back. See how that neck is holding up.
I always like it when my back, low back, it's kind of like under the radar and not that sore, and then you adjust it and it feels very good.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, a little bit of tightness in there for sure, but if it's not bugging you, it always feels good after an adjustment. Neck's not too bad today.
I feel my extra soreness on the right, but when you were poking down my neck, my left side.
The left side definitely feels tighter to me.
Does it? Like, I feel that irritation, like base of the skull, like this side. That's kind of my traditional where I might get a headache side. But
Yeah,
the left is kind of tender to push.
Like I'm able to get my fingers underneath, like kind of at the base of your skull on the right here, but on the left, not happening. Oh, it's starting to open up now. Muscles are giving in. There they go. Feel that?
Yeah. Just trying to breathe into it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the only thing I'm feeling is kind of C3 here on the right. 3, 4-ish. There you go. Nice. Good. Just the tiniest little thing on the left. Good. And how's everything else? Shoulders, elbows, knees, ankles.
You know I like a good leg pull.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't? Come to the side of the table a little bit. Cool. Get your knee in there too. Alright, nice socks. Good. Alright, sir, hop up, move around a little bit, see how you feel.
Much better.
Yes.
Yeah, like, when my back's just, it's under the radar, and then you adjust it, and it's like,
Yeah.
it's like stiffness I was just neglecting to even register.
Nice.
Thank you.
Boom. See you later, guys.